structure with the functions. So let's take your structure like this. For this structure you declare a variable and the variable is initialized. So roll number is 10, section is A and average. Now you have a fun1 function. For this fun1 function you want to pass the elements, the number of the structure as a separate argument. First argument should be this, second argument and the third argument. Okay. So how to pass the first argument as a separately. You pass only 10 as an argument. You pass A as a second argument. You pass this 95.50 as a third argument. 3 arguments you need to pass. Okay, please tell me how to pass the first argument. A dot roll number. It means like a distance. Next. A dot section. A dot average. Is that clear? Okay. So A dot roll number, A dot section, A dot average. It means all 3 structure numbers we are passing as an individual argument to this function. And how to receive it here? Integer. Okay, roll number, comma, character, section, comma, float, average. Is this okay? See, since these are all structure numbers, but here we are receiving it as a normal integer float variables. Is that okay? Or any problem? The same thing only, like what we discussed initially, right? The same way only. What you are passing here, just one integer. Forget about it is part of one array or it is part of one structure. That we don't want. So this is just a plain integer. So that integer you want to receive it means you need one integer variable. Character you are passing, to receive the character you need one character variable. Average you are passing, that is float you are passing, that to receive it you need one floating variable, that's all. So you don't worry about all other things. Okay, so this is right. And this you are trying to print, so print percentage D, percentage S, sorry, C, percentage F, R, comma, S, comma, E. Is this clear? Now, you have fun2. In the second function, what you are going to do is, you are going to pass the entire structure as an argument. Just you need to pass A. The structure variable you are going to pass it as an argument. Then, let's define the fun2 function. So, how do I receive this? Struct the student.
Some other value.
Pointer.
Some other value to normal value.
Pointer.
Struct the student. Are you passing address?
Address.
No.
No, we are not.
See, this is not an address. Clearly, I told in the beginning, array and the structure is different. So in array, if you just give the name of the array, then it is a base address. But in structure, this A is a normal variable. So you are just passing these all 3 as an argument, but using the variable name. And how are you going to receive it? In what is the type?
Structure.
This is right only. Just you need to use it some variable, that's all. So this A, whatever you have the content, these all will be copied into this B. That's all. Just like your integer, how your roll number is copied into R. Same way, the entire content of A will be copied into B. Even in the beginning of the session, I already told, suppose you have some variable like this. For A, you have like a 9 bytes of memory. In that 9 bytes of memory, you have the members like this. Similarly, you have B. B is also like a 9 bytes of memory. Later, what you can do is, you can assign B equal to A. This is possible in the structure. I clearly told. It means B is a variable, A is a variable. From A variable, you are assigning it to the B. So this is absolutely right. Don't relate with the array or strings. Okay. So like this, from A you can copy everything into B. Now you want to print this all. B dot roll number, comma,
B
B
dot
dot
section. B dot
Ma?
image.
That's all. Close. Okay. Now, as a third function, fun3, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pass the address of A. So, how to pass?
The
Ampersand A. Okay. Now, how do I receive it here?
Star pointer. Star.
Struct student star P. Now, how do I print all this? Printers, percentage B, percentage C, percentage F. Okay. P arrow, very good. Roll number, comma P arrow section, comma P arrow. So like this, you can print it. Clear? Fine.